Hey, what's up you guys? It's Marissa at the Marble Planner and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a super exciting video here for you. I am reviewing the new Erin Condren teacher planners and teacher collection. It is super exciting and I have a lot of stuff here to show you. This stuff, these items were sent to me for review, but I've used this teacher planner every single year that I've taught, and this is my 4th year, so this is my 4th Erin Condren teacher planner. And I would have purchased it myself had I not been asked to review it. So I just wanted to let you guys know that right now, but special thanks to the Erin Condren team and Tori over there for allowing me to review this for you. So I'll try to go over prices and everything as we go over, but if I miss something, please let me know and I will definitely get back with you. And also make sure that you head on to the link in my description box. I will be posting all the links to everything once everything is live. This collection does go live on May 16th. So Monday, May 16th. You are watching this video a couple days early, probably, maybe not, but I'm posting it a couple days early. And then also to my Instagram, because there will be detailed photos of everything and flip throughs with prices and all of that good stuff. So let's make sure that we are focused. That would be helpful. All right, and I'm going to get this box out of the way so I can actually review things for you. But for the, unboxing feeling, there it is. So I'll be right back. This is a single checklist heart dual tip marker. So it makes a little heart and then it has black ink, and this is in obviously a red color. And then we have this magnetic teacher dashboard, which is really cool. Instead of snap-in, it's just magnetic, gold foiled. It says copies, grade, contact, and then on the back, to do and looking ahead. I will have all the information about how to get these in my description, but I'm sure one is a launch day offer and one might be an EC Insider one. I'm sure this is because you can't buy it. Let me see if I can find you a price on this magnetic dashboard really quickly. Some accessories in the color blends shade or pattern, I guess. So there are different options for this year's teacher planner, which we will get to when we get to the actual planners that I have, plural, which is awesome. But I got a lot of the color blends accessories here, so I want to show you those first. So this is a snap-in teacher dashboard, and it says all you ever need is already within you. It's a two-sided dashboard, so you have the days of the week here. This says before school and after school. These are wet erase. We've seen these before. And then you just have 6 boxes back here, and it says all you ever are is already enough, and that's in gold foil. So that is a full page snap-in dashboard option. Then there is the skinnier snap-in dashboard, so it's about half the size of this one. It says copies, grades, contact, and then the back says to do and looking ahead. Again, wet and dry erase, same thing. So that's the half one, gold foil again. Then I have this notepad, and I have one more that I'll have to pull out, but this is in my classroom, contact prep, and then just this blank box. I'm sure that you can, if you could see it, I'm sure that you can customize this to be probably different colors, I'm gonna guess, which is awesome. This is like an orangey kind of orange color, red color. My brain's not working today, but this would be really helpful. I know for one, I'm gonna be using this, so I'm very excited about this. The other notepad option that I received is this kind of skinny, long notepad, and I want to make sure you can see the whole thing, but it just says so it has MTWTF, and it says today's prep in different colors, and then you have a bolted list. You have this kind of section down here, and you have just a line section over here. Again, that's a notepad, so they're all the same. This would be great as like a weekly overview as well, especially if you're not into a big desk calendar, which Erin Condren does have. But I think that is really, really cool. So let me show you a couple more accessories and then I'll get you the prices on everything. So there's also these dual tip list markers. This is kind of like a classic color set, I feel like. There is a bigger set released on Erin Condren already, and there's also 2 packs, which I reviewed in my writing tools first impression unboxing haul video, so I'll link that in the description box as well because I actually go and like use them all. But the way that these work, oh, these are different. Okay, these are different. Now I'm excited. So they have little symbols. Let's see if you can see those. Oh, full zoom in. No? Okay. We'll zoom this way. So if you can see, yeah, there we go. Each color has a little symbol. So we have a check mark, an X, a slash, a solid circle, a star, and an open circle. These are the two that the other ones I have. So these are more like teacher friendly. And then it's just a black tip on the end, a black fine tip pen. These are called dual tipless markers. Teacher. So that is awesome. But the colors, you have black, orchid, navy, robin, tangerine, and coral. Sorry, it says it up there. But yeah, these are specifically for teachers, so that's awesome. I'm more excited about those. I didn't know that that's how those were. So let's get some prices going here. The smaller snap-in dashboard is $6.50. So that is this one, $6.50. Let me zoom you back out a little bit. So this snap-in dashboard is $6.50. The bigger one is $7.50. So the more like full page one, $7.50. The In My Classroom Teacher Productivity Notepad, it's called Teacher Productivity Notepad. This one is $10. And then, let me see if I can find the skinny one. It's more in like the In Bloom color. Let's see where it is listed or focused. No. I'll have to get back to you on this skinny notepad because I don't see it here. Oh, here it is. It's called the Colorful Teacher Weekly Schedule Pad, this one, and it is $12. And then the Teacher Dual Tip List Markers are $15.50. And then I'm about to get into the sticker book, which is $15.50. We'll get into that right now. So the teacher, it always says Cool for School, but then it goes along with the pattern. So this is the Designer Sticker Book Too Cool for School Edition 6. It does show you all the pages on the back, but I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you as well so you can see it. Throw some of the stuff that we've already gone over back into the box out of our way here. So here is the sticker book, and just very pretty, some very pretty foiled stickers. I'll make sure that I'm in frame. I am. So, and then this is silver foiled. Then we have rose gold. We have some letters that look like they're on clear paper. Gold foiled letters that are not on clear paper. Some silver headers, date covers. Very cool. Some like washi that's rose gold foiled. Very pretty. Some circles, gold foiled. Some silver foiled circles and headers. Rose gold foiled little icons. I love these. Some appointment labels and some circles that have gold foiling. Silver foiled, some labels, some little meeting stickers. I love the staff meeting stickers. And that is it. So there are, I think it said 602 stickers in here. And they're all different, the 3 foils, and this is $15.50 again, the Too Cool for School Edition 6 sticker book. So that is very exciting. And then one last accessory is this sticky note ball. Let me get you a price on this because I know I'm on the wrong page. Sticky note ball. We've seen this before from Erin, but I've never had one. This is called the Harmony Colorful Sticky Note Ball, and it is $12.50. I'll try to get this open. I should have already done that, but here is a look at the sticky notes. So it says they are 1.5 by 1.5 and then 4 by 4 by 4, 300 adhesive sheets, 12 pads times 25 sheets each. And it's a ball of these little hexagon sticky notes. Let me see if I can open this easily, oh yeah, I can. Oh, perfect. So that is what it looks like, and it does rest easily. So some of them have kind of a border, some are just blank, some of them have faint lines. You can see that there's lines on this one. Oh, that one's dot grid, and they're all different colors, so that's really cool. Actually, and it kind of just rolls around, but also it would sit right on your desk. So that is cool. And again, that is $12.50, the hexagon sticky note ball and the Harmony Colorful. I'll go through because most of my accessories, well, all of them are Harmony Colorful. We'll go through and look at the neutral options and other things. So this is the teacher checklist notebook. I'm going to check and make sure if that's the actual name or if that's just what I'm calling it. I'm sure that's pretty close. Let's see. Teacher record book, coiled 7x9, $16. Oh, I just messed up that whole thing. Here we go. So this is a gorgeous cover, first off, but this is a 7x9. It's like the size of your typical life planner, and it is the teacher record book, as you can see right there. And I'll flip through this for you so we can see what all is in it. So you just have your cover page, and then you have your All About Me page, events and volunteers page, communication log, 2 pages of that. You have a tab that says graph, and then you have a bunch of graph paper, like a lot. And it says, you know, do whatever you want with it. And then you have a bunch of these checklists, like a grade book checklist, like a ton of these. And then you have a tab that says notes, and you have some notes pages. And then that is this notebook. So this would be like, you know, supplemental to your planner is how I would use this. There are some checklists in the back of your planner, which we will get to, but this is smaller, more compact. If you need to keep a paper grade book, this is an awesome option with the wonderful paper quality, the interchangeable covers, you know, all of that stuff. Also, that cover is just gorgeous. Again, it says influence, learn, encourage, inspire, do your best, teach. So that is so pretty. And then I think it is time for us to get to the planners. So I do have 2 planner options. First, I'm going to show you a couple extra covers that were sent to me. So first up, I have this gorgeous Etavi. I hope I'm saying that right, but it's rose gold, if you can see that, and they just put 2022, 2023. I think this is the one I'm at least going to leave on my planner once I'm done with it, obviously, because it does the year, but I love this, so I think I'm going to use this a lot. And then I also got this beautiful new floral one, and it says aspire to inspire, and that is a really pretty floral one as well. So those are 2 extra covers that I got. And covers, I believe that they are $11, the interchangeable covers. Let me see. I believe it's $8, so I think it's $10. It's $8 for the 7x9, and then usually they're $2 more for the 8.5 by 11. So